Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, in the tutorial, I want to show you how to add a green screen effect to your videos and how to add a webcam in OBS Studio. If you have the Streamlabs version, which I do, I like it a little bit better than the regular one, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one, but it is the same exact idea. So what you want to do is you want to go into your scenes, you want to click on the new source, go to video capture, add new source. If you have to make a new source, go ahead and do that. I already have one, so I'm just going to add existing source. Just drag it down, make it a little bit smaller, and to add a green screen effect, go to filters, go to add, and then go down to chroma key right here, which I already have one, and then you're just going to mess around with the filters, the smoothness, maybe right here. Kind of bright because my Elgato key lights are pretty goddamn bright right now. Just mess around it. See, you can see the green screen right there, and then just mess around with it so you can't see it no more. You can also use this one. Let's go up a notch or two. And that is how to add a green screen effect, guys. If you like these videos, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.